306. It's a car meet at the Post Oak Hotel. There's $1 million cars over there. Gorgeous. Y'all want to see some cars? Last time people were talking noise saying my video was trash. I came back with a vengeance. They were like, Camaro? They were like, Mustang? So, like I said, I came back with a vengeance. More cars, and I'm gonna do it the right way. Last time I didn't know what I was doing. It was my first time at a car meet, but I think this is extra special. So next time y'all say Camaro and Mustang, I'm gonna try to click on this video and see that we out here getting exclusive coverage on cars. I love cars, you know. So y'all tune in and y'all check out these nice cars that me and Daniel are out here catching. Let's go see Supercars.
Yeah, Supercars. Supercars are super fast.
So we passed by earlier, and yeah, they got a nice gathering of cars.
Não vou procurar, nem telefonar, tudo vai passar, viu? Eu quero dizer que eu amei você, que só vim pra cá, pra te encontrar. Não tem nada não, pois eu não sou mais do que um João. É tão engraçado lembrar que foi você mesma que veio um dia me procurar. E não é nada fácil eu agora me acostumar a não te ver, a não te ter e não poder